To chop the shallot, first we will cut it in half. Chop off the bottom and the top part for each half. You see I'm doing the same thing for the other half of the shallot. Remember not to cut your fingers and chop the shallot finely. And that is the thickness we are looking for the shallots. To slide the beef, remember we have to know where the vein of the meat falls. First we cut them into slices chunks following the vein. Then we will cut the beef into thinly sliced against the vein so that the beef slice will be a bit more tender once it's cooked. A pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix the marinade well.